Now, how you can get $200 to $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026 as a beginner. Now, as you watch this video, right, it's going to be very short, 5 minutes long. And as you can see over here, I'm going to show exactly how we are getting these results and how it can allow you to start having the same results. As you can see over here, right, in the current 2 days, from March 1st to March today's 3rd, basically, I have had 47 sales in 2 days and $3,980 in sales. Also last month, over 40,000 US dollars in sales. Of course, you can see I also had some refunds, 11 refunds, which is not bad. It's $600 and 42,000 US dollars, right? And if I click here, you can see, right, 0 sales and affiliate over here. It's affiliate, which is promoting other people's products online, right? So that's the most important thing. Now, as you can see over here, let me show you how this works in action with Google pay-per-click ads. The most important thing you gotta remember or write it down, okay, is that you need buyer's clicks. If you go and buy $3,000, $5,000 courses from gurus on ClickBank, what you usually get is watered down version of old, outdated programs and courses that used to work. They tell you create some ugly, weird images. If you're happy, excited, thinking, heck, I'm getting many clicks, many views, but it doesn't correlate to sales, meaning you're not getting any sales at all. It doesn't convert. And you're thinking, heck, is it a scam? Why it doesn't work? The reason why is because you don't know what you don't know. And it's not your fault. You see, my friend, as you watch this video, you need buyer's clicks. You don't need curiosity clickers. I mean, we call them window shoppers. You know, people who go to shopping mall, they just look around and never buy anything. You don't need these kind of people on your website, on your click funnels, or go high level, or whatever you're using, right? You don't need those kind of people. But you need to have the right type of audiences, the right type of eyeballs, right? Eyes to your offer. So you can see when I work with my students and clients, one-on-one over the Zoom call, we connect together one-on-one on Zoom call. We set up Google ad campaign, done for you, exact quiz funnels. I love quiz funnels. The reason why is because, again, it's all about knowing psychology of markets, psychology of marketing, not AI, not ChatGPT. No, you need the right psychology of human beings. Because let's be honest, true, people are buying those products, weight loss supplements, courses, programs on dating, relationships, weight loss, diabetes, law of attraction, self-help, personal development, personal growth, right? All those are people buyers, not AI buyers, right? So you need to understand that. Now, as you can see, when I work with someone one-on-one, I help them to go from 0 to start making 100, 200, 500, or even $1,000 a day. But of course, step by step, milestone by milestone. So if you have ever tried ClickBank affiliate marketing in the past, maybe you bought courses of different coaching programs, and you have failed, it's not your fault. But in 2026, you have an opportunity of a lifetime to actually get up and running. Why? Because things are changing in the world, right? Things are changing quickly as that. And why not take advantage and leverage this for yourself and your family to have better life? If you follow me on Instagram and YouTube, you can see I travel to almost 70 countries, 69 countries, thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to promoting different offers online. So that's my freedom, right? Being able to travel all around the world. Now, if you want to have the same for your kids, your spouse, yourself, okay, I don't know how old are you, whatever your age is, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you have the desire and guts to take action and actually do something. Do something. Take one step forward and get results this week, 15 minutes from now, an hour from now. Start doing something. Taking action is what matters, not just learning and procrastinating and then making excuses for yourself in your life, right? In 2026, if you are smart, because smart people are the action taker. They're taking action and getting results. So you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, correct? My personal cell phone number, my email, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. You can connect with me one-on-one, but only if you're serious, if you're action taker, and you actually want some kind of results with ClickBank affiliate marketing without showing your face, without making any videos, and go step by step and get the results. Let me know.